And then we started seculars, set in order, a place for everything, and everything is in its place. Efficiency is not about speed, it's about flow. After clearing clutter, we designed fixed tool shadow boards, FIFO lanes of raw materials, color coded racks, location coding systems, visual labeling in Urdu and English. We have also trained their staff as well. Results within 6 weeks, tool search time reduced from 9 minutes to 2.5 minutes. Operator walking reduced by 38%, and picking accuracy improved from 89 to 98%. On-time delivery improved to 76%. The biggest win, operators stopped blaming stores. When everything has a defined location, chaos loses power. Set in order turns motivation into motion with purpose. What is the output? Set in order turns movement into motion with purpose. Then we implement third S, shine, cleaning with purpose. Cleaning is inspection. During shine phase, operators discovered 7 oil leak points, 3 loose safety guards, electric wiring exposure, dust accumulation affecting sensors after structured daily cleaning routines. Minor accidents reduced from 4 per month to 1 per month. There is a huge reduction. Machine downtime reduced by 21%. Rework reduced from 8.5 to 6.2%. Cleaning was no longer janitorial. It became preventive maintenance. Ownership shifted from maintenance department to operators. So, what was the takeaway? Shine builds discipline, and discipline builds reliability. What is? Shine builds discipline, and discipline builds reliability. Then we implement fourth S, standardize. Making it repeatable, improvement fails without standardization. We developed 5S audit checklist scoring 0 to 100. Standard cleaning schedule, visual SOP boards, before and after photo standards, weekly audit rhythm within 2 months. Audit score improved from 42 to 81%. Process variation reduced by 18%. Line changeover time reduced by 15%. On-time delivery reached 84%. Standardization eliminated dependency on individuals. It made 5S a system, not an event. And what is the takeaway? If improvement depends on memory, it will disappear. Once again with me, if improvement depends on memory, it will disappear. And then we implement fifth test, sustain. The hardest one I found. The hardest test, sustain, is where most companies fail. After 3 months, enthusiasm dropped. Supervisor returned to firefighting mode. We introduced monthly 5S competition. That was awesome. Recognition board, leadership Gamba scorecard, departmental ranking, 6 months data. On 6 months data. Audit score stable at 85%. Productivity improved, we observed, by 19%. Employee engagement score increased from 61 to 79%. That was good one. Overtime cost reduced by 23%. Sustain required leadership visibility. Discipline is natural. It is cultivated. No, discipline is not natural. It is cultivated. Repeat with me. Discipline is not natural. It is cultivate it.